Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two Hot Wheels ID cars. So Hot Wheels ID is just like another series, um, and they have a special NFC chip under the car, which allows each and every car to store its data, its performance data, the speed, the laps, and the distance, and it can be digitally tracked via a smartphone app or a special race portal. So today we are going to be unboxing these two. The first one is the Jurassic Park Jeep, and the box is really special, unlike any other Hot Wheels pack you have seen earlier, the blister packs. This is a box pack which slides open, and there is the Jurassic Park Jeep, as you have seen in the first movie Jurassic Park. It is the JP18 um, Jeep, and it looks very similar to the car that was used in the movie, except the wheels, of course. The wheels are the Hot Wheels ID special wheels. Let me show you a close up. As you can see, the Jurassic Park logo on the door of the Jeep, and there it is, the NFC chip of the Hot Wheels ID. This comes in the special Spectra Flame white color. As you know, only special models of the Hot Wheels comes in Spectra Flame colors. So this was one of the main reasons that I got this, because it had Spectra Flame color, and it freely rolls as well, as you can see. And this was a really nice buy. So coming to the other car that we have, the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This is finished in Spectra Flame Aqua Blue. So this paint is also really nice. But I have to say that these cars do not have any acrylic inserts in place of headlights or tail lights. It is still paint instead of the headlights. So this is not like on the level of, like Hot Wheels Premium, but it does have a special paint and special wheels. As you can see, Hot Wheels ID written on the back, and these does not have the rubber tires. These are the regular tires that you see on the mainline series and the silver series. And the Hot Wheels ID series, it began in 2019 from the Mattel, um, hoping that they will be able to connect the digital world into the existing Hot Wheels car world, but they failed on that, so they had to discontinue the series in 2022. And that's why these the last stocks of these cars that you might be able to found, they are available at a discount, and this is how they look together. So right now I'm gonna put them back in the garage to see how they look. For the price that I got these, this was a really good deal because they have the special paint, and obviously the Jurassic Park theme car is special in itself. So let me show you some of the pictures that I took. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, like and subscribe, and we have a lot more videos coming.